This is the viral flying insect light trap by Wowcatch. Inside this video, we're going to be testing this out to see whether or not it is the best fly catcher on the market, and I'm going to be showing you real results of using this inside my house. In order to fully test out this product, we're going to be breaking down this video into 4 main parts. We'll start off with the unboxing and seeing everything that's included with this package. Then we'll move into the step-by-step setup of the Wowcatch. Third, and my favorite part, we'll actually test it out to see if we can get some real results of it catching some flying insects. And lastly, I'll wrap everything up with my final thoughts, and we'll do some comparisons with some other competitors on the market. Before we get into all of that, I must say that Wowcatch did send this to me to review inside this video. However, all of my thoughts and opinions are my own. And with that being said, here's the unboxing. You're going to be greeted with a tiny user manual, and then underneath that is going to be the fly catcher here. We're going to have 2 different pieces here. The top piece here that's going to have the sticky pad on the inside, and the power source or the outlet piece. And you also get 3 additional glue cards. Setup for the Wowcatch is actually pretty straightforward. The first thing you're going to do is plug the base into an outlet. Then you're going to insert the top piece with the sticky pad into the base. Next, you're going to be removing the sticky pad sticker by pulling on the bottom, and after that, you're all set up. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is leave this for a couple of hours, check it after that, and see if we caught any kind of flying insects. I ended up waiting for 24 hours just to give it enough time to catch some bugs, and here are the results. It looks like we have 1 here, another one there, and another one there, so 3 bugs over 24 hours. That's not too bad. I'm sure it will catch much more within the coming days. Now it's been 48 hours, so let's take a look to see how many bugs we have after 2 full days. Looks like we have quite a bit more than we had before. I'm counting at least 7 to 8 bugs after a 48-hour period. On a side note, it's really simple to remove the sticky pad and replace it with a new one. You're just gonna go ahead and grab the plastic bottom here, and then you just simply pull it out. Grab a new glue pad from the package, and then just reinsert it into the top piece just like so. That took all of about 10 seconds to do, so replacing it is extremely straightforward. When all is said and done, I was really impressed with the Wowcatch flying insect trap. The UV light did a great job attracting different insects to the light, and then once they got stuck on the glue pad, they were not coming off. The first pro to a device like this is that it just simply works. The UV light attracts the insects, they stick on there, they don't go anywhere, and you have less bugs in your house, or in my example, my garage. Pro number 2 is that it's very simple to set up or replace the sticky pads. It's all of 2 pieces. You just plug it in, set the top onto the bottom, and you're good to go. And replacing the pads takes less than 10 seconds. Pro number 3 is going to be the cost. You get 4 sticky pads in 1 device for less than $15. That is about the same cost as 1 device and 1 cartridge from one of the leading brands out there, Zevo. So using the Wowcatch will save you money down the line compared to using Zevo. As far as cons go, I really can't think of too many just because this is such a simple and cost-effective device. The only con, in my opinion, is if you were to touch the sticky pad, you really don't want to do that because it is extremely sticky. Other than that, I highly recommend checking out the Wowcatch. It exceeded my expectations, and it just simply works. If you're interested in purchasing the Wowcatch, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below this video inside the description. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos in both the home and tech niches. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for when I release my next review.